today's video, I'll show you how to leave a channel in Slack so you can declutter your workspace and focus only on what's relevant. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Slack tips. First, open Slack on your desktop or mobile device. You can use the Slack app or go through your web browser. Log in using your email, Google or Apple account, making sure you're in the correct workspace. Next, look at the left sidebar and select the workspace that contains the channel you want to leave. Once inside, scroll through the list of channels and click on the one you want to exit. With the channel open, go to the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the channel menu. Scroll down in the channel details pop-up until you find the Leave Channel option. Click it to exit. Leaving a channel won't delete any messages or files you shared earlier. You simply won't receive new updates from that channel anymore. And that's it. Your Slack workspace is now tidier, letting you focus on what really matters. You can repeat these steps for any other channels you no longer need. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Slack.